In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust inventory quantity in QuickBooks Online. Keeping your inventory accurate ensures your sales, purchasing, and reporting are trustworthy. Before you begin, make sure you're signed in to QuickBooks Online, and ideally, you've verified the actual count for the item you're updating. Small errors here can affect cost of goods sold and margins, so take a moment to confirm your numbers. Start by navigating to the Sales section in the left panel. This is where QuickBooks groups everything related to products and revenue. Once you're in Sales, open the Products and Services tab. This list shows every product and service you track, including the current quantities on hand for inventory items. Find the specific product whose quantity you need to change. You can scroll through the list or use the search bar to locate it quickly. When you see the item, either double-click it or select the Edit button. A panel will appear on the left, giving you access to the item's details. Inside this editing panel, look for the quantity field. This is the number that represents how many units you currently have on hand. Click on Quantity to make it active, then enter the new quantity you want QuickBooks to reflect. Be careful here. If your intention is to show what you physically have now, type that actual number, not just the difference. For example, if the list shows 18 and your shelf count is 20, type 20. After entering the new quantity, review the other information on the panel to ensure nothing else changed unintentionally. When you're confident the quantity is correct, click Save. QuickBooks will store the update and you'll be returned to your products and services list. Take a quick glance at the item in the list to confirm the new quantity appears as expected. If something looks off, you can open the item again and adjust it. It's good practice to document why you made the change in your internal notes, so teammates understand the adjustment later. And there you go. That's all it takes. By following these steps, you'll keep your inventory aligned with reality, which helps your invoices, purchase orders, and reports stay accurate. If you manage multiple items, repeat the same process for each one, moving steadily down your list. Thanks for watching, and feel free to pause and replay any section while you make your updates.